Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. 99% of people are using AI completely wrong, and that's exactly why they're staying average. But today, I'll show you 6 hidden Claude features that can literally put you ahead of almost everyone using AI right now. First, projects. This is how you turn chaos into a structured AI system.
Second, custom instructions. This is where Claude starts thinking like you.
Third, memory. Imagine never explaining yourself to AI again. Fourth, file uploads. Turn boring documents into powerful insights. Sixth, connectors. This is how AI connects to your real world. If you're not using these, you're already behind. But if you start today, you're instantly ahead of 99%. If you're just using Claude to ask simple questions, you're barely scratching the surface, unlocking only a small fraction of its real capabilities. Now, let me show you 6 powerful things you should know about Claude. 4 of these are different ways you can actually use it, while the other 2 are what make everything dramatically more effective. The surprising part? Almost nobody knows about most of these. We're talking about 99% of users. So in this video, I'll break down all 6, explain exactly what each one does, and help you figure out which one you should start using right away. Let's begin with the first one, Claude Chat. First up is Claude Chat, and this is probably the one you already know. You open Claude in your browser, type something in, and instantly get a response. Simple. The best part? It works everywhere. Whether you're on your phone, desktop, or browser, it's the same experience, fully synced, so you can pick up right where you left off. Now, if this is the only way you've been using Claude so far, you're still on the right track. This is the foundation, but it's just the beginning, not the full picture. Everything else I'm about to show you actually builds on top of this. Claude Chat is perfect for quick tasks, like writing, brainstorming, researching, or just thinking ideas through. If you're new, this is exactly where you should start. But if you've been using AI for a while, the next features are where things start to get really powerful. And that takes us to number 2, Claude Cowork. This is something most people don't even know exists unless they've really explored Claude deeply. But honestly, this one completely changed how I work. It's now one of the AI tools I use the most. Here's why. Cowork isn't just a chat. It's a full desktop experience. It lives on your computer and can actually interact with your files, open them, edit them, create new ones, and save everything automatically. So instead of just asking questions, you're now giving tasks, and Claude actually completes them for you. That's the big shift. You're no longer chatting. You're collaborating with an AI that's working directly on your system. And the best part? You don't need to know how to code. If you've ever thought, I wish AI would just do this for me instead of explaining it, this is exactly that. Think of it like having a 24/7 digital assistant that actually gets things done. For example, you could let it go through your emails, summarize what matters, draft replies, and clean up the junk. Or organize all the messy files on your desktop in seconds. Or even plan something, like a trip. Create a full shopping list, format it neatly, and make it ready to use. This is where AI starts becoming truly useful in real life. Everything else I'm about to show you actually builds on top of this. Claude Chat is perfect for quick tasks, like writing, brainstorming, researching, or just thinking ideas through. If you're new, this is exactly where you should start. But if you've been using AI for a while, the next features are where things start to get really powerful. Now, number 3, Dispatch. This one has been getting a lot of attention recently, and for good reason. It's a game changer. Dispatch lets you assign tasks from your phone, while Claude handles everything on your computer. So imagine you're outside, at a cafe, commuting, or at work, and you send a task from your phone. Claude processes it on your home or office system and sends back the completed result. What makes this powerful is that everything stays connected. You can start something on your phone, then continue it later on your laptop without losing progress. Same conversation, same context, no restarting. Number 4, Claude Code. If the earlier tools were about thinking and helping, this one is about building. And not just simple stuff, real applications. Claude Code is designed for creating software. It can run locally or in the cloud, and just like Cowork, you tell it what you want, and it handles the process. But here's the key difference. This isn't just managing files. It's writing code, testing it, fixing errors, and delivering working results. And if you're thinking, I'm not a developer, this isn't for me, that's exactly what I thought too. But here's the truth now. You don't need to be a developer anymore. If you can describe an idea, Claude can build it. Number 5, plugins. Think of plugins like adding new abilities to Claude. They're pre-built tools you can install, almost like apps, and each one expands what Claude can do. For example, connect it to communication tools, design systems, or other platforms, and suddenly Claude can interact with them directly. The best part? You don't have to build anything yourself. Just install and use. Skills. This is one of the most practical features, yet most people completely ignore it. A skill is simply a set of instructions that teaches Claude how to perform a specific task perfectly. Once you set it up, Claude follows those instructions every time that task comes up. So instead of repeating yourself again and again, it already knows exactly what to do. And it works across everything: chat, cowork, and code. You can even use skills created by others or make your own. So here's the simple breakdown. Claude Chat is for thinking and quick tasks. Cowork is for getting real work done on your computer. Dispatch lets you manage everything remotely from your phone. Claude Code helps you build actual software. Plugins expand what Claude can do. And skills teach it how you want things done. Now your job is simple. Pick the one that matches what you need right now. You don't have to master all of them today, but just knowing these exist already puts you ahead of almost everyone else using AI. And if you want to go deeper, I'll be breaking each one down step by step in upcoming videos. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.